Hey guys, welcome to our first build video. This video will be an upgrade video for our motherboard that we have around, the Z170 Deluxe, and it also features our i7 67K processor from Intel. We will be adding a GTX 1080 Ti overclocked edition from Asus and also some nice RGB lighting RAM, 16 gigs of T-Force newest Nighthawk RGB RAM. The whole build will be water cooled and it will be driven by the D5 Plus pump from Thermaltake. You can see our full review over here, and it also has nice RGB lighting effects. We also have the Pacific W4 Plus water block for our CPU. It also has nice RGB lighting effects, of course. For cooling our GPU, we'll be adding the Fantex Glacier Asus Strix water block. It's really nice, it also features RGB lighting effects inside. The Fuse 71 case has 4 5mm thick tempered glass windows, where all our RGB can shine through. We'll be adding a radiator with 360mm for the fans. To round up the whole rig, we'll be adding some nice RGB fans from Thermaltake. They're the Ring Plus fans that work perfectly with the other hardware. To complete the whole build, we'll be also adding a riser cable for the Watercooled GPU mount and also some nice cable sleeves and a flow indicator. So let's get to it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, it would help us a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, stay tuned. This one will get some modding in the future, and also we're gonna make some more build videos and different stuff. So stay tuned. Maybe if you have any questions, comment down below or visit our website in the description. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.